Hi guys, today's video is made possible by Kevin's Auto Repairs, and thank you to John, whom have kindly provided a serviced Holden Commodore as a test vehicle that has symptoms of consuming 1 litre of oil every 6 weeks. We applied 2 bottles of Super Nano to see if we can reduce or resolve the amount of oil burning, and to see if we can sufficiently restore engine wear inside the engine. A before and after vibration test was done, and we shall update you when we have an update on the oil burning issue. Hi guys, this is Super Resource. Today we've got a Holden Commodore 3 litre direct injection engine. This Holden Commodore got around 235,000 kilometers on it. With the engine warmed up, we're gonna do our first vibration test. According to reports of this car, there has been cases of oil consumption. So we're going to see whether Super Nano can help assist with this problem. This is the vibration test after oil change. So we're here at Kevin's Auto Repairs, and Andrew would be pouring the 2 Super Nano Engine Restorer into the engine oil system.
Until it's back though, with a brand new map and new stuff to do. Well played, Fortnite. Well played. Catch the full story
Awesome.
of this week's episode of the Go Podcast at podcast1.com.au or for free on the new Podcast One app.
And then we immediately start the engine. And we'll let it run for around 10 to 15 minutes, and we're good to go. Here we're giving it a few revs so that the nanoparticles can restore a little bit faster. The time is 2:06 and we'll probably give it around 10 minutes. So now we'll be doing the final engine test after 2 bottles of Super Nano.